Cruz, my arch enemy. Do not talk about the Marcos Loyalists who are fake Filipinos. That they are my enemies. Let's move on. Let's not talk about them. So let's mourn about Bonnie Tyler. So do you even know that Bonnie Tyler, who's composed the song of "I Need a Hero"? What else? That songs anyway. Um, Total Eclipse of My Heart. So I realized that Bonnie Tyler had died in colon cancer while she was confined in the hospital in Portugal. So I realized that Bonnie Tyler is already dead. She was a popular singer in 80s. That's why Kuya Rodelio Daguman was still a kid. Do you even know Ate Mirasol? Remember that? Uh, Bonnie Tyler, that 80s song. Oh, who already remember the song of Bonnie Tyler? I Need a Hero, Total Eclipse of My Heart. Oh, everyone there know about the Bonnie Tyler. Oh, even Kuya Rodelio Daguman, Kuya Percival, oh, they know about Bonnie Tyler. Even who were among popular singers like in 80s. My parents knows this, and then I realized that was a popular singer. Nanay Net knows that, so she knows those what you realize it was a Bonnie Tyler in 80s song. Bonnie Tyler was born 1951. She died in 75 years old because of colon cancer. So that's why I realized I don't want to be happen to Teacher May. So for me, I always pray for her that will never be happen to Bonnie Tyler. So you know Bonnie Tyler was a popular singer, and usually I never experienced about in 80s. She was popular in 80s because you realize that 80s was popular of Bonnie Tyler. 80s like Total Eclipse of My Heart. And usually Bonnie Tyler, she was composing all those songs. She was popular in 80s. And you remember 80s is a popular in the song of Bonnie Tyler. Just like for example, there's 80s about Sylvester Stallone, like Rocky films, other films like Rocky or John Rambo from 80s, and even Chuck Norris in 80s, and other actors. Not even just that. Do you remember Bonnie Tyler? She was popular in 80s. 80s, there was the time of Karate Kid, Ralph Macchio, and Pat Morita. But I do realize, I say to those Filipinos, let's mourn about the iconic singer. If you want to say Sara Duterte is a hero, you need a hero because if you realize the hero means the hero, we should mourn Bonnie Tyler. Bonnie Tyler was a popular song. I remember I played Battlefield 4 in the video game. She written the song Total Eclipse of My Heart. While I remember Ralph Guevara said to me, "You play Battlefield 4." Yes, in PS3 or PS4 in the remaster. That's very nostalgic. And also, I played that game. I realized that Bonnie Tyler was a popular singer in 80s. 80s, 80s. Because Voltes 5 in the Philippines is a popular in 80s or 70s. When Ferdinand Marcos Sr. banned Voltes 5. Because I know Kuya Rodelio Daguman was still a kid at the time. So I remember all the throwback years, like who's Bonnie Tyler is, you know. Was not born in 80s. My parents knows the 80s, but Bonnie Tyler died also 75. So perhaps I just want to remember, just like I said, before, like if we pray for Bonnie Tyler, we have to mourn Bonnie Tyler. I told to my Malaysian friends and Palestinian friends, let's mourn about Bonnie Tyler. Instead of instead you said you gave them a food, you gave them anything. So we have to pray for it.